Hi children, today we are going to deal with the lesson Adventures in a Banyan Tree by Ruskin Bond. All of you have watched the live video by Sam Jones sir, right? So the first unit, Glimpses of Green. Glimpses of Green, that unit, what is the main idea conveyed through the title? We should live in harmony with nature. So here we are going to study about a boy who enjoys and explores the beauty of nature. How he is enjoying the various sights and scenes of nature we are going to deal with in this lesson. So we will come to the lesson now. Though the houses and all the belongings belonged to grandfather, this old banyan tree was particularly of Ruskin Bond. He says that everything belonged to grandfather. Every house, all properties belonged to grandfather, but this banyan tree was chiefly mine because he was a caretaker of that banyan tree. Then, grandfather is now 65 years old. He can't climb the banyan tree now. And grandmother used to tease him, don't climb the banyan tree at the age of 65. And she used to remind him of an old Duchess of Desmond. She lived up to the age of 170. And if she had not attempted to climb the banyan tree, she would have lived longer. So, by telling this story of this English woman, grandmother is reminding grandfather not to climb the banyan tree at this old age. The spreading branches of the banyan tree curved to the ground, took root again, and forming a maze of arches. All these things gave immense pleasure to the author. And this banyan tree was very old than the house and grandfather, and also as old as the town of Dera, which was dwelling peacefully at the foothill of Himalayas. At that time, a grey squirrel came as a friend of Ruskin Bond. At first, the squirrel was very angry with the author because the author tried to invade his privacy. But when the squirrel came to know that the author doesn't have any catapult or air gun with him, the squirrel became friendly with the author, and the author gave him cake and biscuits. And then they became great friends. And this squirrel became very friendly with the author, and the squirrel used to take things from his pocket. And the relatives and friends of the squirrel thought the squirrel to be headstrong and foolish to get tamed with a human. During the spring season, there was a fig tree there full of fruits will be there, and so many birds used to come and sit there. The red-bottomed bulbul, very cheerful and greedy, and then the squabbling crows and parrots, gossiping rosy pastures, everything. So it's a very pleasurable moment for the author. Halfway up the tree, this author used to take cushions from the drawing room, placed it in a bowl of the tree, and propping himself against this cushion, he used to read a lot of books like Treasure Island, Mowgli stories, then Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, Edgar Rice Burroughs. So many different kinds of books he used to read. And looking down, he would see so many beautiful sights. Grandmother washing clothes and put it in for drying. Then the cook quarreling with the vegetable vendor, and grandfather grumbling because this Indian marigold plant is very tough plant, and they used to withstand the cold season, and they used to grow in abundance, and this grandfather had a great task to get them removed. So all these things are the beautiful scenes this author is watching from the top of the tree. And it was in an April afternoon, something unusual happened. He saw a cobra gliding from a cactus plant in order to search a cooler place. At that time, the atmosphere was very warm. Warm breeze was there, and everybody had gone inside. And because of this warmth, the author would like to go to a pond behind and have a bath. But at that time, he saw a cobra came gliding from a cactus plant, and at the same time, the mongoose, this mongoose he used to see usually emerged from the bushes to have an encounter with the cobra. So the fight we will deal with in the next lesson. So what you have to do here is to try to get your textbook or download it from the Samagra portal and then read it. You have to go through the glossary words given at the page number 39, and also make sure that you will get one word to write. So go through the glossary words. Then what you have to do is to read the textbook very well. So many prepositions and articles are there in each paragraph. In the first paragraph, the spreading branches till Himalayas. You will get lot of prepositions and articles in that particular paragraph. That is the spreading branches till Himalayas. So these type of questions you can expect for editing or fill in with preposition, like that you will get for examination. So please read the textbook very well. So the side questions given in the textbook is very easy, and you can get so many comprehension questions. What gave the author immense pleasure? How old was the banyan tree? Then, how did the squirrel become the friend of the author? Then, describe the spring season that Ruskin Bond experienced. Then, what are the beautiful sights he used to watch from the top of the banyan tree? What happened in an April afternoon? All these things you can write the answers in a notebook along with side question answers. Then additional questions you can get is, Ruskin Bond was very happy and thrilled to get a grey squirrel as his acquaintance. He expressed these thoughts in his diary. What would be that diary? That question you can get for the exam. Next question is, Ruskin Bond describes his acquaintance, or he got a new friend, a grey squirrel, and Then he describes everything, what all things he did to that squirrel, how did that squirrel become his friend, everything he narrates or he explains it in the form of a letter to his friend. You can expect that letter for the exam. Ruskin Bond writes a letter to his friend describing how he got acquainted with the squirrel or how the squirrel got tamed with him. So the questions you can expect for letter writing and diary writing. Then suppose this boy sends the picture of this grey squirrel in his WhatsApp and his friends like that, and they gave him an appreciation. Write that note of appreciation in a small paragraph. So we should love animals also as a part of nature's companions. So all these things you can expect for the exam. So these are the additional questions. So all these questions, answers, comprehension question, each and every line you can expect a question. So read the paragraphs and the first 3 pages I have already dealt with, and you can go through that. In the coming videos we will continue the lesson. So I don't think you need a detailed Malayalam explanation. Some word meanings I will give you. Delved meaning paraduga. Catapult means തെറ്റാടി. Propping അടവയ്ക്കുക. Squabbling കലവില കൂട്ടുക. Then all these things are the difficult words. So you can take your dictionary and refer the meanings, and then you can read and understand the paragraphs. So I think you have understood the first 3 pages of that lesson, and then you go through that and try to study that. So the additional question, letter writing and diary, you can write it in your notebook. So we will see in the next video. Thank you.